This video will share with you 4 highest paying Bitcoin mining apps for free. Legit.
Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm. It's literally everyone's dream to get on the cryptocurrency bandwagon. You would be surprised if I told you that you can earn Bitcoin for free with the help of 4 simple apps and by following a few straightforward steps. People from all over the world are earning Bitcoins and cashing them out every day using these apps. You don't need any professional skills to complete this method. You only need a smartphone and an internet connection to get started. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the top 4 Bitcoin mining apps to earn Bitcoin for free on your phone. The first app on the list is StormGain. StormGain is a zero-commission, all-in-one crypto platform. You can use this platform to buy, store, trade, and exchange cryptocurrencies. You can do whatever you want on this platform. They support all cryptocurrencies, including Cardano, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Gold, and Ethereum. You can do a lot of different things here, and you can make a deposit with your cryptocurrency. As you can see, this is a reputable platform. This website has a lot of money flowing through it, and it's also a great trading platform. So if you have any Bitcoin in your wallet, you should definitely come here and use these markets because they have great commissions, which are 0% trading commissions when you open new orders. And anyone from anywhere on the planet can access it. It's completely free. They also offer their own wallets, so I strongly advise you to go to this website where you can see that they support both the App Store and Google Play. All you have to do now is visit this website and take advantage of its features. As you can see, their app on Google Play has 76,000 reviews and a 3.9 rating, which is absolutely perfect and a fantastic rating. Everyone is using it and making money with it, and 76,000 people are very happy with it. They also have a referral program, and as you can see, you can withdraw 15% of funds withdrawn from crypto miner by your referrals, and your friends will receive 3 USD for registering now. The platform also has a crypto miner. When you click on it, you'll see that it's a Bitcoin cloud miner, and you can mine your first crypto in 4 hours. This is a cloud miner, so you won't be mining with your computer's or phone's resources. You can mine up to 0.03 Bitcoin per day. Since this is a cloud miner, there's no need for mining equipment, batteries, or CPU drainage. It's simple and safe. So basically, you sign up at stormgain.com to begin mining Bitcoin. After you've signed up, go to the Bitcoin miner page. After that, you must press the big green Activate button to receive your first mining reward. And by trading or exchanging cryptocurrency on this website, you can repeat the process while increasing your mining speed. Let's take a look at their Bitcoin miner page. Once you've arrived, simply click on Create an account, enter basic information such as your email address, first and last names, and a password, and you'll be able to begin mining Bitcoin with this app. It is available in 230 countries and has over 5 million users, as you can see. As you can see, you can now have your own wallet with support for all of these cryptocurrencies. So you can find whatever cryptocurrency you want over here. And this is the app on the Play Store. It has a 3.9 rating. You can also mine Bitcoin on any device you want. The next app on this list is Binance. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange which is currently the largest exchange in the world in terms of daily trading volume of cryptocurrencies. It's a fantastic way for you to make some money with your cryptocurrency, and as you can see, they support a variety of devices. In addition, smartphone users can download an app. This is available in both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Go to Binance.com, and if you go to Binance Earn, you'll notice that you can stake coins and earn interest for each one you put up. Consider Ethereum, which has a 21% interest rate, which is astronomically high. Binance also has their own mining pools. It is a service dedicated to increasing the income of miners. And if you go to Binance Pools now, you'll notice that they have these special pools for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. So you have the option of mining any cryptocurrency you want. And because this is where people gather and mine together by sharing hash rates, you can make a lot of money with these pools. As a result, your earnings will be higher than if you mined alone. Recently, NFT games were added on the platform, and if you enjoy gaming, you can use them to make money as well. As a result, there's yet another way to profit with Binance. NFT games can be both entertaining and profitable. Overall, Binance.com is an excellent way for you to make money, so get out there and make money for yourself. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to get updates whenever we upload a new video. So the next on the list is CryptoTab Browser. You wouldn't believe me if I told you that using a web browser could earn you money. However, this is true. All you have to do is download the browser on your computer or download it on your smartphone from the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store if you're using a smartphone. So basically, you can make money while surfing the internet, which is quite simple. So anything you can do in your regular browser, such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, you can also do it in this browser. The main difference is that CryptoTab browser has the ability to mine Bitcoin in the background. It uses a unique algorithm that uses very little of your resources, and you won't notice any difference. It also has the same appearance as Google Chrome. As you can see, you can use all of your favorite Chrome extensions, and you won't notice any difference in performance between this browser and others. You can also use it on your smartphone. CryptoTab browser is an excellent opportunity to do nothing while earning money. Basically, you'll surf the web as usual, watching YouTube videos, reading the news, or whatever else comes up during the day, while this browser mines Bitcoin in the background. All you have to do now is download and install this browser on your computer if you intend to use it. As you can see on Google Play, it has over 1 million downloads with 18,000 plus reviews and a 4.1 star rating, which is a fantastic rating. They also have a CryptoTab Browser Pro version, which has over 500,000 downloads with 62,000 plus reviews and a perfect rating of 3.8 stars. You can spend just $4 of your Bitcoin earnings to get the most advanced CryptoTab browser, which will mine even more Bitcoin for you if you earn some with the Lite version. As a result, now is an excellent time for you to invest some of the money you've earned in order to increase your earnings. So I strongly advise you to give CryptoTab browser a try and start earning Bitcoin for yourself. And the last app on our list is Coinbase. Coinbase is a well-known cryptocurrency exchange that makes buying, selling, and exchanging digital currencies simple. Buying Bitcoin with Coinbase is as simple as buying a stock through an online brokerage. You can also create a wallet on Coinbase, which is very user-friendly. Coinbase also has a mobile app which is available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, making it even easier to use for smartphone users. Coinbase is used by everyone to make money, invest money, and you can make money on it as well. As you can see, simply joining here can earn you up to $25 in cryptocurrency. You can earn cryptocurrency while learning about it if you click here on View More. So basically, you will learn about new cryptocurrencies here, such as Stellar Lumens, The Graph, Enzyme, Compound, Polygon, and many others. And you will receive a certain amount of money in that cryptocurrency. So if you want to learn more about Compound, come here and watch some videos, then answer a few questions about the video you just watched, and when you're done, you'll get $9 worth of Compound. You'll earn $10 if you do the same thing with Stellar Lumens. And there are a lot of new and upcoming cryptocurrencies that you can learn about while also making money. You can keep them in your wallet and then sell them later when their value rises. As a result, this is a great opportunity for you to earn up to $200 in a short period of time. All you have to do now is click on the Get Started button, fill in the required information, first name, last name, email, and password, and then click Create Account. You will then be required to verify your account via email. After you've created your account, go to Receive to find your Bitcoin wallet address. You'll notice that this is your unique Bitcoin address, and it's where all of your earnings will be sent. Furthermore, they have a referral system in place. As you can see, you can refer a friend to Coinbase, and both of you will receive $10 in Bitcoin, which is a great way to make some extra cash. If you have 5 friends who are interested in earning cryptocurrency, you can refer them to Coinbase and have them sign up using your referral link, which could earn you $50 in Bitcoin. And now you're ready to start your Bitcoin adventure. You can also share this link on the internet to get more people to sign up using your link. So, if 100 people sign up using your link, you will receive $1,000 in Bitcoin for doing nothing. So, if you want to watch more new ways to make money online like a boss, make sure you check out our other videos too.